Hello guys, I'm Steven. Welcome to Prince Automobile Clinic YouTube channel. I'll be teaching you what to do when your push button start is not working. So this car right here is an S class S550. As you can see, don't forget your key. So now you want to start first. You press the brake down, then you press the button. Key not detected. Key not detected. Why? Okay, try again. Match it. You press this. Key not detected. Okay, so what could be the cause of this? Okay, so you remove this now, You put in this. Put your key inside. Now it's working with the key. So now the possible cause for this is your remote key battery is dead. So you change it. I'm going to use another battery to test it. So you open this up, you remove the battery. So now remove the battery, then I use another battery. I'm just using this battery to test it. It's not like I'm going to use this one. So we're using this to test. So I'm putting this in here. I can put it back there. Then I will test if it's going to lock the car. It did. It locked the car. Okay, don't forget your key. Okay, now let's put the button, right? Let's see if it's going to work. Let's see if our magic is gonna work. So let's try on ignition. Okay, now the ignition is working. It's working. Now it's saying replace key battery because the battery I just put in is the battery I just put in is also dead, not strong, so it's weak. So now I'm sure this will start the car now. So now I'll press the brake pedal and push the button, and now you see, now the magic is done. That's it for your push button not working. So now you know when it's not working. First thing you check is your key battery, okay, and replace it with a new one. And I recommend the Mercedes Benz remote key battery. That will last long and it's good. So thanks, that's all for today's video. Wish you a wonderful day, and please remember to subscribe, like, comment and share, and don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you. Peace out.